It's Dr. LJ with another daily wellness tip. This one is for body, and it's part of the creative greening. I'm very big on getting more greens in the diet, and we're going to have a whole series of different ways, like we spoke about scallions in the past. Well, the reason that you want to get a lot of greens is because they have so many micronutrients. And one of the most important one is magnesium. In fact, the reason that plants are green is because they have chlorophyll. And chlorophyll is very similar chemically to blood. In fact, chlorophyll is like the blood of plants. The only difference in human blood, we have the molecule of iron, and in chlorophyll, which is plant blood, it has the molecule of magnesium. And because of a lot of over farming, our soil is missing a lot of magnesium, and magnesium relaxes you, it relaxes your muscles, and relaxes your mind. So one of the great ways that you can get it is through liquid chlorophyll, literally green water. So this is water that has about 5 drops in it. You can use a whole eyedropper of it, but you really don't need that. And they have most of the liquid chlorophyll that you can buy, and you can get this, like this particular one is just a private label from where I do my health food shopping. You can buy them online. One of the best known brands is called Chloroxygen, but a lot of health food stores have a private label version of it, and it's usually flavored with mint. So it's kind of delightful too. It doesn't have that green flavor, and you can be drinking this throughout the day and getting that chlorophyll. It's a great detoxifier. It also makes breath sweeter. In fact, you'll find a lot of dog biscuits that have chlorophyll in it to sweeten the breath. So that is a creative greening tip. Get yourself some chlorophyll, put it in your water, and then you are maximizing when you drink your water.